Hey, Sweet Stick Sonny on the trail. We are just outside of Flat Rock, North Carolina. Carl Sandburg National Historic Site. I will see you on the trail. We're about 25 minutes into this hike, and I wanted to give you an idea what we're walking through. This property is so beautiful. The trail's good. Oh, we're at the top of Glassy Mountain. What a view. It's been a great trip. Carl Sandburg was one of this country's greatest authors and poets. He won 2 Pulitzer Prizes. I will see you next time on the trail.